Hi, I'm Dale Mancini.
And I'm Marilyn Dale.
And we're your property couple for all properties in North Pittsburgh.
We are your real estate experts for Pittsburgh North Suburbs, from Shaler to Zillionople and every area in between. We have been selling real estate in these areas for over 17 years. So if you are planning to upsize to a larger home or downsize as an empty nester, we can help you find the home that suits your needs and price range. Our videos are meant to provide detailed information on the home buying, selling process, and also to educate you on the various areas of North Pittsburgh and what's going on here.
And we can also provide you with a list of knowledgeable lenders to help you with the financing and to let you know what programs are available to you. Our goal is to make your move as stress-free as possible.
So please request our Buyer's Guide checklist by clicking the link below. This will help you get started. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Just leave a message in the comment line below. We do respond quickly. We look forward to working with you and promise you a pleasant home buying or selling experience.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.